Well, hello everybody on this beautiful day. Sun is out, not very warm, but we're gonna take it. About 35 degrees right now. We're gonna do this beautiful one here. I'm gonna show you guys everything as we're going along. Okay. So it just keeps going and going and going and going. Beautiful estate here, beautiful estate. We've probably been coming here for 15 years. I can remember back when you didn't have all this. You only had the one place up on the corner and it was half the size. Plus you bought everything on the side of the lake here. The other side of the street is a lake. They're not allowed to build. Okay, so I'll bring you guys along, show you guys what we got going on. Hope you guys enjoy this. Alright, so that's a pool house right there. A pool in the background. Look at all the beautiful shrubs here. A lot of beautiful stuff. So I'm just gonna walk around, show you guys a bit what we got going on here before I jump on the machine and start cutting. Not a very warm day though today. It's a colder one so far this fall. I think it's about 0. It was 0 this morning. That's 30 Fahrenheit. Yeah, it's 0 this morning. Look at that beautiful pool with the waterfalls. One of the waterfalls working, the other one isn't. So we're gonna come along here, get all these hedges here done. Big job, takes us a couple hours I think to do this one. That's a big one. Beautiful, beautiful place. So we're mid-October. That's why you see the plants are starting to look a little rough. We're right into the fall here in Canada. All right. But the high today was going to be 10, which is about 50 degrees. I'll come over and work on this. So he's doing a step ladder, an 8-footer, doing a nice top. Look how nice that top is there where he's going along. Then my other guy over here is using an angle blade. Sorry about that. Angle blade. See, he's got an angle blade on his machine. Just doing a nice little top with that. You guys see the water across over there? Somebody's parked down there. I don't know what they're doing. Keep an eye on them. Pull Brian ahead. Wait for him to give me the sign. Once he gives me the sign, boy. One of the boom vans here just sunk in a little bit here into the ground, so we just threw some dirt on top of it while the guy's picking up here. Brian's van, the first one right there. We got a little too far over here. Just a little bit soft. Not very, but just enough to make a little bit of a mark, and make sure you want to keep your customer here happy. Don't want him to get upset with something stupid like that where it costs you $5 of dirt, or put some dirt down. Make sure everyone is happy. Alright, well, I'll keep showing you guys. We're going along here. The boys are doing the top here. I think the wall on the inside is done. I think some of the guys just went around the corner. This is going to be both sides all the way around. Plus we're going to be doing a tree in the front of the house here, just on the other side of that white pickup. Not the van up there, but the white pickup. Oh, there's a couple of pickups in the yard. See that tree right there? We're going to trim that all. We're going to make that look really nice. Guys usually got some really nice decorations here for Halloween. That seems to be some landscaping company that's here. Oh, he didn't put them up, his Halloween decorations. Usually he's got some nice decorations here. Got a few pumpkins there. That looks like it's all he's got so far. Got a nice waterfall here in the front of the house too. Oh, I see they're doing some here. That might be who's here. This company might be doing the decorating. Look at that nice stuff. Looks really nice. I'll go see if they're out back here. Look at that tree up there, how good that looks. Just gonna go along here and show you guys what we got going on. Beautiful big job, beautiful. The sun out, high of 10. Feels good though, the sun. Pool's just on the other side here. Looks really good. Come up around the corner here, take a look at that. Oh, there's a lot of hedge here in the back. Alright, gonna make sure I have to tell the person picking up that there's hedge here in the back too. Yeah, he's got like 2 street corners. Beautiful place. If you guys are enjoying these videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Look at that pile of cedar. Cedar hedge. That's what we're cutting here in Canada. Look at that part there, looks good too. A little part here. Got the lake over there. It's on the other side of the street of the beautiful place. He owns this land here too, so we fix it all up for him. A lot of shrubs, a lot of shrubs. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Beautiful place here. Just picking up the branches. See, they're setting up to get some flowers done. Time of the year for those kind of flowers. Adios, amigos.